90% of people who are looking to buy their first home are not doing something that might be a good option when mortgage interest rates are on the rise. Now imagine you want to buy your very first home, have a good job, and have been adding money to your 401k plan, but just do not have enough money for your down payment. I am going to talk you through some of the options that you may have by utilizing your 401k funds as a down payment and paying yourself back at the same time. Hi, I'm John Herman of PropertyUp, and I help buyers and sellers in the Northwest Suburbs of Chicago. And I am not a financial advisor. I am only providing information to you, so please verify any information with your administrator of your 401k account. According to Bankrate.com, right now only about 10% of Americans have used their 401k or their IRAs in order to make a down payment on their first home. Now typically, if you withdraw money out of your account prior to the age of 59 and a half, you have to pay an ordinary income tax and a 10% early withdrawal penalty on the distribution. However, there are a few exceptions, and one of them is the first-time home buyer exception. If you are purchasing your first home, you are allowed to withdraw up to $10,000 from your 401k or your IRA and avoid that 10% early withdrawal penalty. The good news is that if you are married, you can each withdraw $10,000 from your separate accounts without paying the penalty for the $20,000 total. Let's say you have $10,000 or less in your 401k. As of this date, you can obtain $10,000 as a down payment. Now let me repeat that if you have less than $10,000, you can get up to a $10,000 loan on your 401k. By the way, the good news is that this has zero impact on your credit score. Also, remember, you will be making extra payments to pay back the $10,000 withdrawal to yourself along with your new mortgage. For your parents out there, another great option and much lesser known option is that you can help your kids out the same way. You do not have to be the home buyer. You can qualify for the early withdrawal exemption if you are helping a spouse, a child, a grandchild, or a parent to buy their first home. If you do not have a 401k yet, here is a general example of some of the benefits. Say you are 25 years old and you're making $50,000 a year and you add 10% annually to your traditional 401k. You would amass a balance of about $537,000 at retirement, which would roughly provide you $2,650 in monthly retirement income. So just set it and forget it. Getting back to the loan options, there is also a $50,000 max that you can pull out of your 401k plan, and sometimes you have the loan extended up to 30 years to match your mortgage. However, both the $10,000 loan and the maximum $50,000 loan, you will be missing out on the all-important compounding interest benefits, so be aware of that. Payments for the 401k loan will come directly out of your paycheck automatically via payroll deduction from your employer. It's also worth noting, if you leave your job or let go, you will have to pay your 401k loan back within 60 days. Otherwise, it is considered a distribution, which triggers the income, taxes, and possibly the additional 10% tax penalty on the loan balance. There may be loan or withdrawal options available through your employer-sponsored retirement plan. I specifically say may because each company's retirement plan is different. Thanks again for watching. My name is John Herman of PropertyUp, and I hope you found this video educational and helpful. Please like and subscribe, and remember, we here at PropertyUp are here to serve you. Make it a great day.